Episode 4 SQL Basic Series with me. Episode 3 we have learned how to slot the data using order by. Today we have to learn how to control number of rows display with limit and top. By a query, it's mostly used in MySQL. Definition is used to specify the maximum number of rows and query, and we have to see that another is top is SQL level is a keyword used in SQL Server to return the specific number of rows and query result is used to Server to limit the number of rows and return. The key difference is MySQL is used in and top is used in SQL Server. Example of some practical queries and some example queries list. Follow this list and some example queries. Thank you. And that's it for the episode 4. You just learned how to use limit, top, and fetch first to control the number of rows display in SQL. Next episode, we have to learn remove the duplicate values. So don't forget and like and subscribe my channel. Episode number 5. Thanks for watching.